Hey, how are you? Today's video is a little bit different from the other videos because I'm going to show you Uyghur Style Festive Table. Yay! It's for Eid. Eid is a big celebration for Muslims after a month of fasting during the Ramadan. But this table style is for any Uyghur celebrations you wish. Let's get started. Uyghur mattress. This is handmade, embroidered traditional Uyghur mattress. Körpe. This is made with different fabrics and colors. We use this for showing our hospitality and kindness for the guests. The next thing that I'm going to show you is dastghan. It's a tableware. Dastghan is blessed item and it's for under the food. It's very common that we use it for on the ground in different situations. In this case, I'm going to use this for on the ground because I don't have a big table. However, I can display all the food on this simple but blessed dastghan. Do you know what it is? This is sangza. This is the flower crown of the Uyghur table. So the crown should be the center of the table. This is a Uyghur tradition. It depends on the season. You will see different fresh fruits and dried fruits at the table. They are displayed around the sangza. And also handmade sweet desserts. For the big celebration, everything is well prepared. Rich or poor, old or young family, each brings the best thing on the table to share it with their families and neighbors. For those who are fasting, I wish you Eid Mubarak, ھېيتىڭىزغا مۇبارەك بولسۇن, and happy days with your families and with your friends. For who are not fasting, hope you have beautiful happy days too. Hope you enjoy my video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your families, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel Dolan. Thumbs up and see you next week. Bye!